Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Shure DFR22 audio processor and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this hard reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this processor is not working for some reason, like it's not connecting to something or it seems to be kind of frozen and not responding. It's having sound issues, it's bugging. Stuff like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever situation where you kind of want to get a fresh start with the processor and just wipe all of the previous configurations and presets off of it. We can go ahead and do that kind of in one fell swoop. It's really easy to do. All we need to do on this item is we're going to turn it off, and then once we turn it off, we're just going to come here and we're going to find the press to lock, hold to clear button and the bypass DFR filters button only in row A. So the top buttons in those two columns, press to lock and bypass DFR filters. We're going to press and hold those two buttons, and while we're holding those two buttons, we're going to go ahead and turn the unit on. Once we turn the unit on, the preset indicator will start to count down to a reset. You can go ahead and release the buttons. Once the countdown begins, allow the reset to take place, and then you can go ahead and set this up basically like it's a brand new device.